Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code and Chill. Today we will learn about list comprehension and how it can save you a lot of time in building new lists. So let's get started. Suppose we have a list of cars. Let's make a list of cars. Let's place few names over here. BMW, Bugatti, Maserati, Lambo, Dodge. Okay, so we have list of cars over here. And suppose you are given a task to filter out items in the cars which have letter A in them. Pick those items in them. So how would you do it? The usual approach would be to just loop through each items and check if the item contains A in them and then filter them out. So let's code the usual approach first. Let's make a new car list. So for I in cars, if A in I, then we will append the items over here. So let's print out and check. So these are the list of items. So these are the list of items that have A in them: Bugatti, Maserati, and Lambo. And Dodge, BMW, they don't have letter A in them. So this is the usual approach. But we can just write this logic in just one line using list comprehension, and that would be an easy way of doing this. So first of all, let us comment out this code. And let's just use list comprehension. X for X in cars if A X. So this is a list comprehension. I will explain you how it is written. So let's just test it. So as you can see, it also printed the same list: Bugatti, Maserati, and Lambo, the three items that have A in them. So how does it work? So the list comprehension, let me just write the general syntax for you for better understanding. New list would be expression for item in iterable if condition. So this is a general syntax for the list comprehension. First comes the expression. This X is expression. This is not just one item, this is an expression. But since we are not doing any kind of operation over here, it is simply X. For X in cars, this statement would be item in iterable. This would be picking each elements and then evaluating those based upon the condition that is over here. If this is the condition, so based upon this condition, it will be picking each element from the list, and then after evaluation it will be placing it in the new list using the expression. To show you the power of expression, it's not just a statement, it's an expression. Let us use slicing to do some modification. So I'm using string slicing. So this would just take the item, suppose Bugatti, and then it would slice out from the beginning to third letter. So 0, 1, 2 would be printed over here. So let's just execute it. And as you can see, from Bugatti we just got bug, from Maserati we got mass, because it is filtering out further using the expression evaluation. So let me just delete this and uncomment the previous old approach to show you that both are working codes. So it just got appended over this. This was the new list, and again the new list got appended over this. But no worries, since both are the same approach, and this list comprehension is a better and easy way of doing this whole thing. So this is it for list comprehension. I hope you found it knowledgeable and helpful. So if you like it, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.